Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon available on top left corner. Then simply scroll down till you find the Snap Map option available there. Now tap on it. After you tap on it, make sure that you have the settings on My Friends option available there and simply turn on the ghost mode. And now go head back to the Snapchat map. After you go to the Snapchat map, you can simply find any friends nearby you here. Now zoom in or tap on the any location you want to access friends from. Now whenever you zoom in or tap on some places, then you can see some snaps available there, and you can simply send friend request or add them through this snap. So that is it. By following these steps, you can easily find and add nearby friends on Snapchat, enhancing your social experience on the platform. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.